Ever wonder how mastering numbers can unlock a world of opportunities? I am Ava, your guide at Canadian Virtual School. Grade 11, Financial Accounting Fundamental introduces you to the fascinating world of accounting and earns you an Ontario Secondary School Diploma credit. Dive into the core topics, fundamental and advanced accounting practices. Discover how these principles apply to real-world business scenarios. Learn how financial analysis and decision-making skills can shape your future, opening doors to endless possibilities. Develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for business success. Prepare for future studies and career opportunities with a strong accounting foundation. Join Canadian Virtual School and embark on a personalised learning journey towards success. Ready to take the plunge? Enroll at Canadian Virtual School and explore the course that promises to transform your understanding of finance. With our commitment to personalised learning, your journey to success starts here.